Hi everyone, so in today's video we will be making some game assets by going into Blender. So let's get started. So let's model low poly bed now. Hide that. Cube, we can scale this a little bit like that. Take it a bit up. And we can scale this like that, scale this like that. I think that's good for a pillow. Delete that vertex is. Nice, let's add some. Let's make a cut over here and add some legs. Let's also enable auto mirror. There we go. Shift A, tune. Clipping. And on. Let's take it a bit down, scale Z, Alt S, scale Z. We can take it a bit over here. Nice. Shift DX. So those are our legs. And let's take this a little more down. Select the edges and this. So there's our bed. So let's show our isosphere pumpkin. Let's select that. Control L, link materials. Let's go into the editing. All scale 0. Scale 0. Red bed, I think. Yeah, that would be nice. Nice, I think that looks good. Let's take it a little bit brown. Yeah, that looks fine. We can also select these, select the legs. Maybe we can take the yellow color. Yeah, that looks way better for wood. Nice, that looks nice. Doesn't look too bad. Let's make the pillow white. Cool. Let's just change the wood color. I think I can go with a little gray or dark gray. Yeah, that looks nice. We can also take this and take it a little down. It's not good. Scale Z0. So here's our bed now. Looks pretty nice. Nope. So here's our bed. Looks pretty nice. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, you can ask me on Discord. I'll put the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye.